All right, let's do a quick little review about the performance, the status, the updates, the hip factor, the gossip about Save Club. Okay, what's going on? About day 11, when the company said ready, set, go, let's do this affiliate thing and invite people to join either as members or affiliates. June 1st is their kind of official, all right, guys, we got a couple million worldwide participants, okay, that are going to just say, hey, come to my business or my service, rent this, stay at my hotel, get a lift, go to Home Depot, go to Walmart, come to my restaurant and save. And all you have to do is be a member. Okay, $19, 97 pennies. Guys, you're a member of Save Club. Now, I admit, I like saving $50 here, $100 there, and I'm already at over $150 a month just with the things I'm already buying by joining Save Club. I'm very happy that it's like getting a raise of like what, $1,200, $1,300, $1,400, $1,500, and I'm just getting started. Okay, I'm just on 4 or 5 days of doing this thing. So thank you, Save Club, because it's like they're giving me a pile of $1,500, $1,600 over the next year so I can buy Hot Wheels and crazy things. All right, MTV cups. Can you see an MTV coffee cup? Should I give you a hint? Look to the left on the fridge. Okay, where's Waldo? I should do that. Maybe I'll start having contests where I'll hide something. And if you guys can find it, the first one to post, maybe I'll give you a gift or something. Okay, but anyway, I'm a big fan of being an affiliate where I can just promote something by video or maybe a business card, okay, or social media. Go on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and just say, guys, check out this link. This is interesting. Thanks for your time. High five. Let me know. Okay, boom, peace, love. All right, and this is what I do. I love Save Club. I really do. I used to like it. We were friends, and now I love it. And I'm considering Save Club a pretty girl, by the way. Because if it's a guy named Bob, I'm like, okay, I love Bob. I love Chuck. All right, I love Mike. All right, we love Mike. Wasn't that a Michael Jordan thing? I can't remember. But anyway, I love saveclub.com. Will you please go to that right now and watch the movie? And I'll show you on my screen what it looks like. It's just called the capture page. You get that as an affiliate. I want you to join now as an affiliate because we're only 11 days in, and this is where you have the best chance. Quotation, I can't guarantee money and income and all this other yummy stuff. But guys, talk to anyone that has earned $1 or millions in this type of business. When you have a downline, it's always best to join the first week, the first few weeks, the first month. Sooner the better. But if you're interested and you got $20 a month, please at least try it for a month. Get the savings that Save Club offers you. Get your money back. Okay, but join as an affiliate. If you got three $20 bills, please invest that in yourself. And I'm going to show you what I do so you can get that money back and more. Like I said, I already got about $1,500, $1,600 coming back to me just with using Save Club. But by making a business card like this for $20 at Vistaprint, I bought ilovesaveclub.com. I put my email address on the front of the card. Boom. All right. I've already got a business. Now, here is the back office to Save Club. All right. If you're in LiveGood, you can see it's similar. Okay. The software, the infrastructure, the credit card processing, everything's similar. And I'm so happy because I'm really good at LiveGood. I joined 2 years ago. LiveGood has signed up over 2 million people worldwide, $15 to $20 million of products going out each month. 30% of its members are already making money. That means if 10 people sign up, 30%, all right, are already earning money with LiveGood. And I think LiveGood is going to be harder than Save Club because Save Club, you're saving money on things you're already buying, where with LiveGood, you're buying products to get healthy. And 99% of people that want to be healthy, they're having milkshakes and cheeseburgers with me. Okay? I want to be both healthy and have a cheeseburger. But with Save Club, there's discounts at Walmart, Home Depot, Dick's Sporting Goods, Lyft, every hotel, flights, car insurance, car washes. Guys, there's going to be over 2 million participants worldwide. This morning had someone sign up with me from Canada. They're like, hey, are you in Canada? Yeah, it's not like our we is Save Club, but I'm a member of Save Club. So yeah, I'm really happy to be presenting this offer to the world. They don't call me Cory Sweet Cheeks for nothing. And sure, I called myself that, but you know what? I got a great friend, and Rebecca, you ever see this? She always calls me Sweet Cheeks. And now I'm called Santa Claus Beard Cheeks. But yeah, I thought Cory Sweet Cheeks would be kind of nice. So, all right, guys. Well, anyway, let me just show you some things that are exciting for me. Okay, because like I said, I only been doing this a handful of days. People seem to really enjoy this. They're signing up, and I can't even find my statistics page. Let's see. Okay, it looks like yesterday I had 14 people just pre-enroll. And what they did is they clicked I Love Save Club. 14 people put their name in, 5 people on a Sunday. And Sunday's usually not that great for people signing up. But how cool is that? And I'm just getting started. Look, this morning, I've already had 700 website hits. That means my YouTube videos are starting to get traction because I love making video. And I plan on making 3,000 to 4,000 videos. And if you think I'm kidding, go to my YouTube channel right now and type in playlist and just click LiveGood. I've got 3,900 videos. So I am a video whore. I'm a video hoe bag. Okay. So I'm just going to make videos every day like this where I invite you to click a link. Okay. In this case, I love Save Club. Okay. And I want you to join. I want you to join now because now it's critical. All right. The next 30, 45 days, every video, I'm going to say, guys, will you please just join? Have faith. $60, $19.97 a month. Just do it. Okay? Then let's learn how to be fun, interesting, compelling, how to email somebody properly so there's no spamming issues, no junk mail issues. You don't want issues with Save Club or any other type of business. But I'll show you how I do it, and it works. It's cheap too. If you like social media, awesome. Reference, just say, hey guys, I got something interesting. Give me an inbox message. Okay? And you can do that anywhere. You can also email me if you have any questions. But what I do at the end of the day is just I keep it simple. I always show business cards because I have people that are old school in my downlines of other businesses, okay? They're like, hey, I like a business card where if I need to talk about something, I just want to give them a card to watch a video. And I'm like, you know what? I agree. I do the same thing, okay? I love saveclub.com. On a street level, that's all I want to talk about. I don't want to talk about anything business-wise because you're going to zone out, get bored, especially the comp plan for affiliates. It's easier if I just say, I love saveclub.com. Now watch the screen. I'm going to type in, I love Save Club. Now, this is a capture page. This is where I capture information either from you or someone else that wants more information about Save Club or you want to join. Just put your info there and click the orange button. Guys, you're done. And please watch this YouTube video because I'm going to sign up hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people all throughout summer. My goal is thousands and thousands, and it's all going to be the same formula. Here we go. You ready? There you go. I love saveclub.com. It goes to this page. I want people to watch this YouTube video. And if you don't like Save Club, just delete everything and go on your way. If you need more information, boom. Put in your info here. You'll get 1 email per day, and you can opt out if you like. Or if you want to join, open up your Save Club email that you're going to get once you fill out this info and click the orange button, and then rock and roll. Okay? So there it is, guys. Simple. Don't you think so? Because it works. It works for LiveGood and my other multiple businesses online. So I'm a big fan of this online thing where I can just talk to you guys for maybe 5-10 minutes. I do webinar form videos too right now in the beginning that are about anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. But I just like to give examples and show screens and just keep things as simple as I possibly can. Okay, and it's exciting that I can get, I don't even know what that is, 16, 17, 18, 20. It looks like I got about 24 people that have already signed up. And guys, you can only see, I've only been doing this 1, 2, 3, 4. Today's really my 5th day. This one here, I was just screwed off and I don't even know how I even got any hits there, but I officially kicked off Thursday. Okay, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today's Monday. Okay, and I can't believe I already got 700 web hits. And what that means are people are going to this page and they're snooping around. I mean, hundreds. Okay, that doesn't mean 700 people. It could mean that 100 people are clicking around my website and taking a tour. Okay, this is what the back office looks like after you join. Okay, your membership, you can join by the month or the year. If you join by the year, you're considered a VIP and you make a greater percentage on your downline. So please, according to budget, okay, join by the year, join by the month. I don't make any more or less. It's just definitely advantageous. And that's my biggest word of the morning, that's for sure, if you join by the year. But do it according to your budget, guys. You got $19.97, come aboard, pay the 61 time and rock and roll. Okay, now go to my deals. You can go right here, but this is where you can see how many deals there are already as of what is today, April 28th. But like I said, by the time it's ready, set, go June 1st, all right, I call him Chuckles Charles, but his name is Charles. He's the creator, the founder. He said by June 1st, that's when he wants to say ready, set, go. He's going to have 2 million of, people that own businesses, services, products that are going to be a part of this. And there's already a ton. Guys, you can spend 5 to 10 hours going through all the restaurants, where to play, where to vacation, where to shop, travel, automotive. Oh my gosh, there's so many categories that are going to save you things, okay, called bucks here in America, okay? Nickels, dimes, quarters, hundreds of dollars a bill, dollars of bills, okay? All you do is just put in a zip. See right there? Boom. Put in your zip code. All right, where do you live? I just put in a Salt Lake City one, and it shows you local deals. Like there's a tanning salon I like to go to, $11 savings there. A couple car washes I like to go to, $17 a month. All right, so just there alone, $29 of savings. And that's just a couple categories here locally in Salt Lake. But just go through all of these tabs. Sporting goods, look, toys, 164 ways to save. All right, wireless, we already have like cell phone deals. Look at this, right? Boom. Furniture, 181. Fragrance, flowers, Mother's Day is coming up. All right, department stores, people love bath. And where's automotive at? That's my favorite. I love automotive. Okay, there it is, right there. I'm a big fan of automobiles and trucks and cars. But look, auto parts stores, 266. A lot of the businesses are just online, so you don't have to live like in Salt Lake City to enjoy deals, okay? You've got Jiffy Lube nationwide. Why not save 15%? Okay, here locally, Take 5 Car Wash. See that? $3 off. I go here all the time. You know, why not save $3? Look at Action Auto Services. They're down the street, $20.
It's great to hear you're a regular
at
Take 5 Car Wash.
It's funny, my phone, whenever I talk, it talks back to me. Isn't this awesome? Where you can just, Amco transmissions, if you need some transmission care, why not get 10% off? Okay? But this is just for cars. All right? So you guys relax. Just please go to what I recommend, ilovesaveclub.com, and just watch that little video. Watch Charles. Put your information in, and then let's just grow this massively over the next 30, 45 days. Promise me. Okay? Please. Let's just get you good at one thing, and it could be video, it could be just emailing, could be a friend of a friend that can do social media posts for you. I don't care if you're retired. I don't care if you're lazy. I don't care if you have experience of 10, 20, 30 years. What counts now is April 28th and on. Okay? Everybody likes to look at their phones, so let's focus on that. Okay? And when you use this savings card, you can download the coupon thing, show your screen to somebody, or you just go online and enter information. So if you're going to fly to Vegas but take Lyft to the airport, save on Lyft, save on flights, save on the hotel in Vegas, for example, and the entertainment on the Strip. Okay? This is a very easy club to join. You just go online, go to ilovesaveclub.com, open up the email you're going to get when you put in your information, join. Then let's get you earning money as an affiliate. That is my prime mover. That is my big enchilada. That's my final destination. I want you guys just to really enjoy getting some of this each month. Other than the savings, I want you to make, on top of that, some nice affiliate scratch. There's nothing wrong with that. I just can't be more serious than you really need to think about joining now. Okay, day 11. I've only been doing this 3-4 days. I've already had like 20 some odd people. I have no doubt I'll have over 100, 200, 300, 400 people signed up. But I want you signed up. I want you to grow along with my, downline, my group, my team. Okay, if I learn something, I make a video. All right, if I have your email address, which I will, I'll email you. Hey, this seems to work. Try this. Hey, watch this video. It's pretty good. I think you'll like it. Okay, I do everything I can to help you grow your business. All right, I actually think this is fun. This is not heavy lifting. This is the easiest I've ever made money. Okay, I don't know if you're going to have the same success as me, but I've done a lot of jobs with pressure where I got to sell things. I got to have people attend my nightclubs, listen to my radio shows. I had a trucking business, a mortgage company. I've done just about everything in the last 40 some odd years. I started working in 1980. I've never been unemployed, not a day in my life, but I enjoy working, especially behind a computer with a little light that looks like a electric donut, hanging out, having coffee, and just chatting with you fine folks. I can do this on a laptop in Fiji. I can go to California. I can go down to Vegas, hang out on the strip in a little hotel. All right, a little one, little tiny one in the seedy part of town. And just go, man, I'm going to make me some money in the seedy part of Vegas. Or maybe I'll go and get one of those baller rooms where I've got on the roof of the hotel hot tubs and chicks. All right, I love all those phony videos of everybody faking it to make it, living that laptop lifestyle. I'm happy right now just being in my man cave and talking about chicks. I like Kentucky Fried Chicken. I could go for a couple chicken breasts. I love the fake rubber potatoes and those biscuits with butter. All right, now that I'm almost 60, that's me balling. All right, I'm balling because I can't go to Vegas and take my shirt off at the pool because I got man boobs now. But I can sit here and talk about chicks. Unfortunately, it's Kentucky Fried Chicken. Okay, but anyway, I think you can do this. I think you'll be more successful than LiveGood if you join LiveGood and got a little stalled, a little hung up on how to promote healthy things. Okay, same templates, same credit card processing, same easy flow, capture page similar. 2 million people have signed up with LiveGood. 3, 4, 5, 6 million people over the next 3, 4, 5 years are going to sign up with LiveGood. This to me is part 2, but I think it's easier because you're saving money on things you're already saving. So of course you're going to join just for that alone. Do $60 one-time fee. There's no markup. There's no, oh, and there's more. I don't do that. Okay? What I do is invite you to watch a video, watch all my videos here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I want you to do it now. Okay? So let me share my screen. I'll end this thing in about 17, 18 minutes. I love saveclub.com. Please go there. Just go to the capture page, watch this video. Okay? Put your information right here and let's rock and roll, okay? All right, we're going to have fun with this, guys. Okay, thank you for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get a hold of me if you need something. Okay? Peace and love, guys. Have a good day. Bye.